Welcome to today's session on spreadsheet modeling, one of the most popular decision support tools used in business. In this chapter, you will learn the key concepts for spreadsheet modeling. We will build influence diagrams and perform what-if analyses. Lastly, we will discuss methods to avoid and detect spreadsheet errors. Spreadsheet modeling involves using tools like Microsoft Excel to implement decision models. These models generalize the relationships between inputs and outputs, allowing us to predict outcomes based on changes in the inputs. By embedding mathematical and logical functions, spreadsheet models enable managers to explore different scenarios through what-if analysis, making them invaluable for decision making. There are two types of decision models, deterministic and stochastic. A deterministic model assumes all parameters are known with certainty, and outputs are fully determined by these parameters. These models often use mathematical formulas to show how each input affects the outcome. A stochastic model incorporates randomness, producing varying outputs even when inputs are the same. These models account for uncertainty, making them ideal for evaluating decisions with a range of potential outcomes. Every decision model consists of three primary components. Outputs are the target values or results we aim to predict. Inputs are the variables that affect the outputs. These are often called assumptions. Processes are the intermediate or final calculations that link inputs to outputs. These processes embed assumptions, rules, and logic through mathematical or logical formulas, forming the backbone of the decision model. A well-designed spreadsheet model combines critical thinking with creativity. It enables users to solve business problems by performing data analysis, experiment with different assumptions and scenarios, gain insights, and improve decision-making. A good model empowers users to adapt it for new questions or conditions, improving its overall effectiveness. To ensure clarity and usability, follow these principles. Organize the model well, grouping similar information together. Clearly label all sections and use consistent formatting. Store input variables in individual cells separate from the data to allow easy scenario testing. Use carefully constructed formulas that can be copied to similar cells without errors. Ensure outputs, including charts, are clearly labeled and formatted for easy interpretation. Let's take a practical example. Sarah Washington, a manager at Iniesta Consulting Group, oversees a team of consultants. She wants to analyze her team's after-tax earnings, ensuring their salaries remain competitive. At Iniesta, employees receive excellent medical benefits, but they must pay a co-premium, which reduces their net earnings. Sarah's goal is to create a spreadsheet model to compare net earnings across her team. Sarah collects salary data, tax rates, and co-premium amounts from management and non-management employees. She includes her own details to validate the accuracy of her model. Her task is to create a spreadsheet model that calculates each employee's salary, the tax and co-premium amounts, the net earnings after deductions. Sarah organizes her spreadsheet into a table with rows representing each employee, columns for details like salary, tax, and net earnings. Input variables such as tax rates and co-premium values are stored separately. This structure allows Sarah to experiment with different scenarios by simply adjusting the input values, making her model flexible and efficient. Once complete, Sarah's spreadsheet includes detailed calculations for net earnings and percentages for each employee, clear labels for all sections to ensure data is easy to interpret, flexibility to test various assumptions by updating input values, enabling scenario analysis. The tables in Sarah's model are designed for clarity and accessibility. Input variables are in a separate section, simplifying updates. Calculations for salaries, taxes, and net earnings are well labeled and easy to follow. The structure ensures that anyone reviewing the spreadsheet can quickly understand its logic. Spreadsheet modeling is a powerful tool for decision-making. By organizing data, embedding logical processes, and allowing for what-if analysis, models like Sarah's help managers evaluate scenarios and make informed decisions. This concludes the lecture on spreadsheet modeling. Thank you for your attention.